We do all of our own motorcycle tire work and wanted a tire changer that could be used in the field, at a remote campsite, a motorcycle race pit, or on the trail. See our portable tire changer. We've decided to bring tire changing into our shop. Dismounting, mounting, and balancing tires is now an in-house process thanks to the special tool solutions from Gaither Tool Company. This can be done in your shop, with the exception of balancing. It can even be done alongside a trail, at a roadside rest, or in your campsite. Hand dismounting and hand mounting can save a great deal of time in shuffling back and forth to shops and increase your self-sufficiency and self-reliance.
Our project began with a Gaither 12772 manual tire changer. For self-sufficient remote use, the tire changer underwent modifications at our shop. The changer is normally lagged to the shop floor, with permanent anchors provided in the kit. Rather than anchoring the changer to the floor, a rigid 2x2 inch 0.250-inch wall square tube became the support brace for mounting the changer directly to a 2-inch square Class 3 receiver hitch. A small section of tubing and 2 plates attached the long tube to the Gaither 12772 changer post. Welded sections and a 2-plate interface allow for quick disassembly for stowage. The changer, accessories, surface parts, and beam attachment can be stowed in an off-road trailer for remote travel. This modification makes replacing and repairing tires in the field possible. Tools for fabrication included our horizontal bandsaw, the 170 Hobart Betamax machine, 5/8" and 3/8" drill bits, and a 1/2" drill motor. A disc grinder was used for prep and finish work. Before dismounting tires, we use Super Slickum tire lubricant around the bead. Allow this to soak in before deflating the tire. When deflating the tire, use the Click and Go valve stem remover. Gaither's Click and Go valve stem core removal tool prevents the core from flying across the shop as air escapes. Gaither's Slickum and Super Slickum tire service lubricants are a must. Never attempt to break a bead without these soft tools. For tough bead breaking jobs, soak the rim edge with Super Slickum while the tire is still inflated. Allow the lube to seep between the rim and the tire bead edge. After several minutes, you can attempt to break down the bead. If there is substantial resistance, lube again with Super Slickum and wait for the lube to penetrate. Regular Slickum is like the lubricant often used at tire shops. Slickum is for general tire dismounting and mounting. Tires are expensive. The quickest way to ruin a tire is gouging or tearing the bead while mounting and dismounting the tire. To save extra work, we broke the bead on the backside first. Alloy wheels require more finesse to protect their surfaces and the rim flange edge. Be certain to remove all slickum from the tire and rim before mounting the new tire. The backside remained broken. In rough terrain, with or without bead locks on the rims, a tire will spin on the rim if there is Super Slickum on the beads. We're ready to dismount the tire. We'll dismount the tire from the top side because the drop center of the rim is on this side. We want to push the tire into the drop center opposite where our tire spoon will be pulling. Visualize this tire changer attached to a vehicle at your remote campsite. This changer and tire hand tools will enable tire service anywhere. fabrication of the receiver extension arm took a few hours. Materials were minimal. The 2x2-inch square tubing with stout 0.25-inch wall thickness, 2 pieces of plate, cut with a horizontal bandsaw to match, side plates for the receiver end, 5/8-inch diameter coarse thread grade 5 bolts, nuts and washers, and an inexpensive 8-inch drop receiver hitch rated for Class 3 and 5,000 pounds. Note that the vehicle has been leveled so that the platform of the post is flat on the floor. The drop receiver hitch affords several positions for leveling the stand. Optimally, the stand should be vertical with the footprint flat on the floor. The beam is rigid and keeps the stand from moving. The Gaither 12772 manual tire changer comes with a complement of accessories, including a stout and well-constructed motorcycle wheel rim style clamp. As avid dirt and dual sport motorcyclists, we saw the additional value of a Gaither 12772 manual changer. Our modified portable tire changer is ideal for motocross, trials, or desert hare and hound race pits, for a recreational riding campsite, or any other motorcycle venue. The changer's rim clamp rack makes a stout tire mounting platform, our pick for the best fixture design in the market. The plastic protected foot on the tire bead breaker is the correct width for any motorcycle tire and wheel. Breaker leverage is ample. The dismount mounting bar features replaceable plastic-coated tips and edge guards to protect wheel rims and tires. Motorcycle racers, enthusiasts, and shops will find the Gaither 12772 changer perfect for quick, professional-level tire changing. The addition of our fabricated mount to a receiver hitch takes the Gaither 12772 manual tire changer to wherever you race or ride. The Gaither 12772 manual tire changer and our fabricated beam adapter for a receiver hitch will break down and stow in an SUV or your pickup bed alongside the dirt motorcycle, ATV, or your UTV on a trailer. This can be your portable tire shop in the desert, racing pit, or at the campground. You can set up the shop in 20 minutes, find a level spot to make sure the tire stand base rests flat on the ground, and make sure the post is vertical. The 2 universal tire irons shown are common and available at any tool outlet. All components in the fabrication of the hitch adapter and beam can be found online or at a local steel supply. Enjoy riding and the ability to repair and change tires quickly in the field.